Welcome back to Andrea's Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a hole in your clothing, shirts, pants, you name it, in under 30 seconds. So these are my daughter's pants that I've already done this on. You can see the hole is fixed. Let me put a screenshot on now that shows what it looked like before I was able to fix this hole. Now this hole is in the knee. I have 4 children, so we're in the rough and tumble period of our lives. So I don't know how long it will last in terms of knees and holes, but it is fixed at this point. The hole that we're going to tackle today is this one right here. This is going to be so fast and easy. And then we're going to try something on a thicker material, although this product here I'm going to show you in just a second. This is not sponsored, by the way. It says it generally isn't for something like this, but we're going to try it just in case you ever have something thicker that you need to fix a hole in. So all you're going to need here is this fusible interfacing. Just order it on Amazon. I will link it in the description box below. The magic in the middle, get it? That's kind of funny. And an iron, a pair of scissors. This is the material. So I made a crucial mistake. I do not want you to make it. I watched previous videos on the internet how to do this, and I didn't get it right the first time. So I'll show you my little trick. First thing that we're gonna do here is go ahead and plug in our iron, and I have mine set on the cotton setting. So it's rather warm and toasty in there. Now what you'll notice on this type of paper is that there is a rough, coarse side and there is a smooth side, and this is gonna be very important. Now I'm gonna go ahead and actually cut 2 little sheets right here. I'm a lefty, so bear with me if I'm cutting this and you're like, girl, what are you doing? So I'm gonna cut a square enough to cover the hole. 2 sheets, just folding it over like this so that it's just a little bit thicker, and I'll show you the rest that we're gonna do here in just a second. It doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. So I have this bigger sheet right here, and I'm just gonna cut it in half. And again, I told you there's a coarse side and a shiny side. Now what I'm gonna recommend that you do is you actually put coarse side up back to back. So coarse side, here we go, just like that. Now you could shape this into a circle to make it a bit more smaller, a little bit more inconspicuous. Here is our hole in the pants. I'm just gonna roll the pants up so I can get underneath the fabric right here so that I can insert my fusing, interfacing is what they call it, right under here. A little bit tricky, keep it together. All right, I can see it right here, and I'm gonna lay it flat like so. Let me get you in close. Here we are, you can see the fabric right under there, and this is in the knee area as well. This is made of 100% polyester, in case you are wondering. Now here's the tricky part. You certainly can pin this, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pinch this together as best as I can. There we go. Now that iron is nice, piping hot, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna set that on there, keeping this closed for, you guessed it, 30 seconds. Watch your fingers right along there. I'm gonna set a timer on my phone. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull this off here and then let it cool completely, and we'll see what we're working with. All right, let's see where we are at. Let's get you in there close. You can see we have a slight gap right here, and that's because I did not pinch the fabric tight enough together, but that's much better than where we started. I did a better job here with the pants. As you can see, no gap. This is also a much thicker material than these really thin pants right here, so I think that makes a difference as well. I would say this is perfect for your everyday t-shirt or shirt, something like this. It says this is great for use in blouses and dresses, collar, cuffs, and plackets, men's dress shirts, quilts, and crafting projects. For not keeping the fabric tight, this looks a lot better from where we started. Now you can certainly just peel this off. You gotta give a pretty good tug on the back of this fabric right here if you wanted to try it again. I'm guessing it's not gonna work on something thick like this. Yep, gave it a whirl, and that definitely did not do the trick. I just went ahead and pulled it out. If you got something thin like this in a t-shirt, it works great for saving those beloved items. Give this video a thumbs up, click the video on screen now for some additional fun cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.